Hello, my name is Balad. These are my brothers. Baban. Hello. And we.
Hi!
And Uncle Marcus. This.
Vivon, we first gotta see what we're making before we say the material. Okay?
Okay. We're gonna make a clock.
Yep. And all you need is
And this marker.
black marker.
This.
Some cardboard.
Yeah. And this.
I think it's called like a hairpin. And
Pencils.
yeah, pencils,
Scissors.
scissors. Come on, go here, and then explain.
And
Construction paper. Oh, and don't forget, what is this?
and pink.
No, this is tape.
And pink.
Yeah, paper plate. And what's this?
Dagger.
And that's the string.
Let's get started!
So, today we're gonna make a clock. And first, we're gonna have to make the hands of our clock. And just like us, the clock has two hands. Whoa! And so, to make the hands, you're gonna need, wait a minute, what? 2 fingers? There's 2s everywhere. The clock has 2 hands. We have 2 hands. And to make the 2 hands of the clock, we need 2 fingers.
Oh my goodness!
Wow. So, first, you need to remember, get your 2 fingers and place them on your construction paper like this. Then make a mark over here. Then get a ruler, trace the line like this. So now we cut the line.
Full.
Yeah.
The full line.
I'm done cutting. So now place your hand on your strip of construction paper like this, like your palm over here, and then make a mark right there, and then we're making the hour hand of the clock. Now that you've got your mark, cut at the mark like this. This is the hour hand of your clock.
Big hand, small hand.
So now, remember that your paper plate should be upside down, and poke a hole in the middle of it with your pencil.
It started.
So now get your minute hand and place it on the hole that you made, and then poke a hole through that. And now we're gonna write the numbers. Whoa! So now we cut out our piece of cardboard like a bow tie. So this is how they will look like. So now get your hairpin and your string and put your string through like this.
It has to be open so you can fit it.
There. Then you fit this in. But not all the way. Only to here. And then put it through the minute hand. There. Then the hour hand. There. Yes. So now get your bow tie and fit it through the slot.
Hole. Do you like mine?
Then and then place it like that. Then pull on the 2 strings at the bottom. So now get a piece of tape. Flip the clock upside down. Pull on the string till it's tight enough. Then put some tape. So last step is to take the pin out.
But be careful.
Yeah, hold the string like this. And carefully.
There.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse went up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.
This is how it works.
So you hold this one and then you do that and then but you do the other one and you hold that one and then you do.
And the mirror about that banana. So when the big handle is on 12 and the small one is on 7, then it's 7 o'clock.
My big hand is on the 12 and my small hand is on the 3. That means it's 3 o'clock.